Hi, I'm Konstantin Surkov, and this is MVP submission for week 3. Right. So this is a multi-agent project. There are many moving parts, and I was mostly working on backend parts, so I don't have much to show in terms of UI. One thing I can show is this is simple app. So one of the parts is red team agent, and job of red team agent is to generate new ways to test OpenMR. EMR. Uh, Execution of these tests is done by separate parts, so that the team just invents a new way to test. So what we and this is UI to see visually see that part. Uh, uh, Red team agent can be controlled by our orchestration agent that could be just run on schedule or until we run out of budget created for this particular purpose. But in this particular case, uh, for test purposes, it just executes manually when we click this button. So click this button, it starts running. It is running, not finished yet. I can go back to dashboard to see what other parts are. So mm, the first table is just number of runs. Second table is number of tests that it created, and you can see different tests. You can go into the set of parameters for each test. I will need to add this to the UI, the part to look at the parameters. Um, uh, Integrated test executions are not here because I have not hooked up it in production yet, but I will show you test executions on my local machine. Right, and this is part variability toggles. What it does is that there is chain of HTTP calls to get to the clinical copilot and OMR system and you to get security token and store it in a session cookie and invoke LLM behind invoke agent with different questions basically. Uh, so what we're testing is path to the agent and then different ways to break the agent. Uh, and there are a bunch of parameters that we can vary and see what breaks and what not. And we can turn on and off those parameters either manually or programmatically. And the current configuration is this. This is only one variable parameter. And so then based on this table, let's imagine comes with different values for this parameter to test. Uh, that's about it. So we have the team inventing tests. We have harness executing tests, and harness is deterministic. So harness we can run it as much as we want. We're not paying any tokens, and basically the only limit is that the target system is not DDoSed or not did not start to throttle us. Right, and here's the part I promised to show. So this is run harness. I will run it locally. It will take either a new penetration test that doesn't was not executed before, or the oldest one. So we will retry some tests because this system on the other end can change too. So test that was passing before then stop passing, right? So it was run. It successfully ran, and this is now a database. Now today only one run. We can refresh. We can see that says the latest run. And obviously I need to store the results JSON in a nicer way or more readable way. At the UI that shows it in a nice way. So far I don't have it. And of course, parts to do yet is the judge agent and reporting agent. All right, that's it for me. Thank you for